Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro Max is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning solutions for pet owners, promising to tackle everything from everyday messes to stubborn pet-related grime with its innovative dual-tank system and powerful suction, all while vacuuming and mopping simultaneously, making it a game-changer for busy households looking to simplify their cleaning routine and maintain a pristine home environment, even with furry companions. Number 5. Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro Carpet Shampoo. Introducing the Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro. It's a powerful carpet shampoo designed for a truly deep clean. This formula is 4x concentrated, meaning a little goes a long way. You get more cleaning power in every bottle. With 48 ounces, you have enough for multiple cleaning sessions. Keep your carpets looking fresh for longer. Its deep cleaning action effectively tackles tough stains and dirt. It restores the look and feel of your carpets. Using it is simple, just follow the instructions for a spotless finish. Enjoy a cleaner home with ease. Trust Bissell for your home cleaning needs. This carpet shampoo delivers professional results you can see. What we like. This carpet shampoo offers a highly concentrated formula for deep cleaning. It's ideal if you have large carpeted areas or frequent deep cleaning needs. You should choose this if you're looking for an economical and effective way to tackle stubborn carpet stains. What people say. This vacuum cleaner is very effective at picking up pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. The dual tank system separates clean and dirty water, which is a great feature for maintaining hygiene. It is also very easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Number 4. Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro 2306A. Tired of cleaning messes twice? This innovative device vacuums up dirt and mops your floors at the same time. It makes cleaning pet messes faster and more efficient than ever before. We know pets can be messy. That's why this machine is built with a tangle-free brush and a hair guard to prevent clogs. It also comes with a specialized solution to tackle pet stains and odors, leaving your home fresh. From tile and wood to laminate and vinyl, it cleans all your hard floors beautifully. It even works on area rugs and mats. This one machine can handle your whole house. Keep your cleaning truly hygienic with our dual tank system. It separates fresh cleaning solution from dirty water, so you never spread dirty water back onto your clean floors. This bundle includes everything you need, a tangle-free roller brush and 2 bottles of our pet solution. Plus, every purchase helps Bissell save homeless pets, so you can feel good about your clean. What we like. This all-in-one machine vacuums and mops simultaneously, making pet messes a breeze. It's perfect for pet owners who want to clean floors faster and more efficiently. If you're looking for a dedicated solution to tackle pet hair, odors, and tough stains on all your floor types, this is the one. What people say. The Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro Max is a game-changer for pet owners, tackling tough messes with ease. Its powerful suction and innovative brush roll effectively pick up dirt, debris, and pet hair from both carpet and hard floors. The cordless design offers freedom of movement, allowing you to clean your entire home without being tethered to an outlet. Number 3. Bissell Multi-Surface Pet Formula with Febreze Freshness. Tired of stubborn pet messes? Our advanced formula is designed to tackle them effectively. It's your go-to solution for a cleaner home. Experience the power of Febreze Freshness with every use. It not only cleans but also leaves your home smelling wonderfully clean and inviting. This versatile formula is perfect for all your sealed hard floors and area rugs. Keep every surface in your home looking its best. Don't let tough messes get you down. Our product is specifically formulated to lift and remove even the most challenging stains with ease. Achieve a cleaner home effortlessly. This powerful cleaner simplifies your routine, giving you more time to enjoy your space. Keep your home clean and fresh, even with pets. It's the ideal choice for pet owners seeking effective and pleasant cleaning solutions. What we like. Experience a fresh scent with this multi-surface solution featuring Febreze. It's designed for use on sealed hard floors and area rugs, effectively removing tough messes. Choose this if you prioritize a clean scent alongside powerful cleaning for your diverse floor surfaces. What people say. This vacuum cleaner has a powerful suction that picks up pet hair and debris effectively. The tangle-free brush roll is a game changer for pet owners, as it prevents hair from wrapping around the brush. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, making it easy to refill and empty. Number 2. Bissell Multi-Surface Solution for CrossWave. Introducing the Bissell Multi-Surface Solution, designed to tackle dirt and grime. It's perfect for keeping your floor spotless. This powerful formula is engineered to dissolve even the toughest sticky messes. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with ease. It works wonders on both hard surfaces and area rugs. Get a deep clean across all your floor types. Designed for use in your CrossWave and other leading hard surface cleaners. It's the versatile cleaning companion you need. Experience an effortless shine with every use. Keep your home looking and feeling fresh with this effective solution. What we like. This large-sized multi-surface solution is designed to dissolve dirt, grime, and sticky messes. It's compatible with the CrossWave and other leading cleaners. You should consider this if you have a high-traffic home and need a generous supply of effective cleaning fluid for various floor types. What people say. This vacuum cleaner has a tangle-free brush roll that is great for picking up pet hair. The vacuum cleaner has a self-cleaning function that makes it easy to maintain. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. Number 1. Bissell CrossWave Replacement Vacuum Filter 1866. Keep your cleaner performing at its best with this genuine OEM replacement filter. It's designed to effectively capture everyday dirt and grime. Maintaining this filter is simple. Just hand wash it in warm water, with an optional mild detergent. Ensure it's completely air-dried before putting it back into your cleaner. This guarantees optimal performance. This filter is specifically designed for use with your Bissell CrossWave and SpinWave multi-surface cleaners. Replace your old filter with this new one to restore your cleaner's powerful performance. Enjoy a cleaner home with ease. What we like. This is a genuine replacement filter designed for easy maintenance. It's washable, allowing for repeated use after air drying. If you own a CrossWave or SpinWave cleaner and want to ensure optimal performance with a reliable, reusable filter, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This vacuum cleaner is amazing for pet owners. It picks up pet hair and dirt effectively. The Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro Max is a game changer for cleaning up pet messes. It vacuums and mops at the same time, saving a lot of time and effort. The design of the Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro Max is sleek and modern, and it's easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.